Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create UI teleports. So as you see, I have this signal remote, and when I click the left mouse button, I get this UI with teleport 1, teleport 2 and secret teleport. You can change these text as you want. For example, this can be secret teleport and this whatever you want. So magic island or you can also add the buttons. So for example 9 teleports, 10 teleports, 1, how much you want. So for example I click teleport 1, boom, the UI disappear, I'm in teleport 1. I click secret teleport and boom, I'm on secret teleport. I click TP2 and boom, I'm on TP2. And also I can exit this UI with this exit button, and I don't get teleport anywhere and just exit the UI. So yeah, this is what we'll be doing in this video, and let's get into it. Okay, so I'm in UEFN right now, and first things we want to do is create a new verse file. So verse device, and I will name it UI teleport system. Okay, let's hit create and open that file. Okay, let's open our VS Code, and I will change my theme to this one. Okay, so delete useless comments, we don't want that. And we need to add strings to message function. So this will be localizes. Is okay, message type string. Okay, return message and message. Okay, so that's basically converts a string into a message, so we can display it in our buttons, like the text of buttons. Okay, and now we need teleport data, which is the class with concrete tag. Okay, and now we need editable here with teleport button text, so you can easily change the button text in your verse device. Also we need to add the teleport prop, which is creative prop, so we don't want to use the teleporter device because it's eating memory, and we want to eat us like not much memory, right? You don't want eat much memory, so maybe main device also in it, which is the UI teleport system type false. This is an optional from this, and this is false because we not set it yet. And on button clicked, which is widget message type void equals return, and you need to import the Unreal Engine temporary UI library. Okay, now we can leave that function for now, and in UI teleport system we want to create a editable signal remote manager, which will be the signal remote manager device. So this is basically this remote device that you open UI with, and also the array with teleports data. It's the array of teleport data. Okay, and also we need to create a var agent widget, which will be map, and p will be agent and value will be widget. So each agent have his own widget. So for example, if we have just widget, that's when no matter which player will open that, it will open for everyone. We don't want that, we want only for one player. So that's why we have map for each agent. Okay, let's create function primary signal clicked, which will be with parameters agent type void equals return for now. Remove UI, which also needs the VM, which is widget message type void equals return, and init UI should be agent type void and also return for now. Okay, and in primary signal clicked, we want to init our UI for agent.clicked. Okay, and remove UI, which we need to get the player. So player will be the wm dot player. Okay, and next we want to get the player UI, which will be get player UI for our player, and also the widget that is our agent widget for our player. Okay, and now we need to do the player UI that remove widget, and the widget that we will give the player in the init UI. So we remove the widget, and widget that set visibility, widget visibility that hidden. So basically it's just when you use remove widget, it just happened after like 2-3 seconds, maybe 1, I don't know, it depends. But if you use hidden, it just do it automatically, and it hide the widget from player, and it delete it after, like it's just visually better, and yeah, that's why we use hidden after remove widget. Okay, and now we need to init the UI. So we need teleport button 1, which will be the button loud. Okay, and I think you need using Fortnite Chrome.ui to make it work, and you basically can create how much button you only want, like maybe 10, 12. It's, you know, how much you want. And also we need the array with all buttons, which will be the type of button loud, and this is the array. We need to just provide all our buttons to this array. Okay, and also we need the exit button, which will be the button quiet is equals to button quiet, and we can set the default text for it to string to message, and we want exit. You can whatever message you want to exit button. So yeah, if you want to learn more about buttons, just click Control and button quiet or button loud, and go to text button base, and you have all the functions that button have. It's not very much. Default text on click, set text, and get text. So yeah, that's what buttons have. Okay, and next we want to subscribe on click to this function. So we need to do a for loop through index is from 0 to all buttons dot length -1. Okay, now we need to get each button. So button, we need to get it through through all buttons at index that we get. So for example 0, 1, 2, 3. So we get each button, like 0, 1, 2, and also we need the teleport data, which is our teleport data array at index. So basically you also want to make it in the right order. So the button first is the index 0 of teleport data. So for example, if your first teleport data is for secret room, for example, it's assigned automatically to teleport button 1. But you can change that with just changing order in this array. So for example, teleport button 1, which will be applying to the second teleport data that you set in Verse device. So yeah, you can change the order with just changing the buttons in this array. Okay, and here we need to button on click that subscribe, and we need to subscribe to teleport data that on button clicked. Subscribe. Oh, spelled wrong. Oh, reference. Okay. And remember of these brackets here. You need them. Like after on click. And also into button that set text. And we need to use our string to message. Teleport data that teleport button text, which is this text here. Okay. And also we need to subscribe to our exit button that on click, and we need to subscribe to remove UI. Okay. And also we can set now this function on button clicked. So get the player, which will be vwm.player, and if main device, we need to get our main device from maybe main device, and also we need to get the Fortnite character from player. So player get Fort character. Okay. And also if you want auto imports, like you see I have, because you will need to manually import each library. So just go to your extensions and search for Verse, and you will find Verse auto imports, and just download this extension. As you see this preview, it will automatically just, you know, auto imports your library. So that's pretty useful. You don't need to type them manually and remember all of the libraries. Okay, so now we need to get the prop transform. So teleport prop that get transform. So you're basically getting the location, rotation and scale for our prop where we want to teleport the player. So just FC, like Fortnite, teleport to drop transform that translation and prop transform that rotation. We can just do prop transform because Fortnite don't support that, because we can change the scale of the Fortnite character, so that's why it don't allow us to just use prop transform. And also we want to okay, maybe let's break this here. Main device that remove UI and our WM. We want to remove UI, so after player gets teleported, we want to just remove UI for him, so he's no longer see this. Okay. And now we can hop to UEFN and create a folder named UI and create a user interface widget blueprint and user widget. Name it UI test, for example, so we can just see how the buttons need positions, like get the positions. So drop the canvas panel and drop search for button loud, or you can test with buttons what buttons you want. Really, this really depends on your needs. I go with loud button and the quiet one. Regular, I don't go with regular in this video, so if you want you can, but yeah. So size to content and anchor to the center, and it's really important to set the alignment to 0.5.5 and anchor at the center so it will scale properly. And for preview text we can just type teleport 1, and maybe I will go with this here for example here and here. We can change the text, so this will be 3, this will be 2. Oh. And also we want to quiet one, also the answer to the center, and alignment to 0.5, 0.5, size to content, and preview text to exit. Okay, and it's better if you have positions like not this long one, so position X to 0, position Y for 400, here position X to 0, position Y to 100, here minus 4080 and 200, here position Y to 200 and position X to 4080. Okay, so now we have all the positions set it up. You can just manipulate this position if you want. For example, this buttons, you can easily just drag and see the positions, so you can easily set it up in Verse. So that's really helpful and useful. Just, you know, create that test widget UI and get the old positions. Okay, so once we have all positions, we need to go to VS Code, open UEFN, like maybe that. Okay, and now we need to create the UI. So we need to get the player UI. So if player, we need to get the player from our agent, and player UI, or we can hide it, Control B, get player UI in the player. Okay, I spelled wrong. I. Okay, and we need to create new canvas, which will be the canvas, type canvas, and slots, which will be the array of slots. Okay, and canvas slots. So this is like if you have, for example, this array. So this is just arrayed, but it's typed this way. You see, and this is the canvas slot, canvas slot, canvas slot. So this slot is array of canvas slots. Yeah. So each canvas slot needs to have the widget. So we need to type widget teleport button 1. Okay. Next will be anchors, which will be the anchors, and we need minimum, which is the vector 2. And here, as you see, we have the anchors for each design. So X will be, oh wait, X will be 0.5, Y will be 0.5. Also we need the maximum, which also is vector 2, X 0.5 and Y also 0.5. Okay, next we need offsets, which is the margin type. Yeah, and we have left, and the left is the position X. So left is position X 0.0. We have top. The top is position Y. So in our example 400, I don't know which button I have selected. Yeah, I think wrong. Okay, so minus 480, and position Y is 200. Okay, next we have right, which is size X, is no matter as size we have, because we have size to content. If you don't select size to content, but I recommend you to select it, because when you not select it and you have like different length of text, it will just format weirdly. So it's better to have size to content. But if you don't have size to content, the right is size X, so in our example 100, and also the bottom, which is our size Y, so this is 40. Okay, and next is alignment, which is vector, okay, I will just copy this, vector 2, and it's 0.5 and Y it's 0.5. I think I spelled it wrong. alignment. Okay, now it's good. And next is the order. We can type 0 for now. Yeah, 0. So the order is, for example, if you have background here. So this is order that the buttons or whatever UI needs to be rendered. So for example, I will add the button, like image here, and we have background here. As you see, it's under the button. But if I change this order to 1, it's up the button. So this is like the order elements need to be rendered. So the background is also need to be at the lowest the order. So for example 0. The buttons here is need to be on the order 1. So it's always render on like up the background and not under it. So if you have like poor backgrounds or something, just you need to do the order correctly. And size to content, which will be true. Okay. And you can just copy this canvas slot, paste it here, change this to 2, and select teleport button 2. Position X is 0, so just change it. And that's it, that we need to change here. Next will be teleport button 3. Left is 480. Okay, and that's it. Next is our exit button. Okay, so just click on this exit button and position X, so our left is 0. The top is 400, so we need to change that. And we also have size to content, so I will leave it like this. Okay, so that's all in our UI. Now we need to initialize it for players. So player UI dot add player UI add widget, open brackets, and new canvas player. So this is basically this canvas, like this one. And we need to add player UI slot and open these brackets and input mode, which is the UI input mode dot all. So basically we enable the input so player can click the buttons, because if we don't if we just do right like that, player will just have the UI but can't really do anything with this. It just be UI without the mouse on the screen, so he can't click that. And we need to also set the agent widget for our agent to new canvas. Okay, and the last things we need to set is our embedding function. So signal remote manager, that primary signal. Okay, just click Control and signal remote manager, and there is primary signal event. That okay, and we need to subscribe to our primary signal click. Okay, and also we need to do a for loop through teleport data. So teleport data and through teleport data, and copy that teleport data that may be main device, which is equals to option self. Okay, that's build verse code, and that's it. Also, if you want like on the right mouse button, so this is the left button on the mouse, and this is right button on the mouse. So if you want on these both, just do this 2 subscribes. Okay, and that's it in Verse. So we can build our Verse code and open our UEFN, then close this and create another folder, which is the BP, and open it, right mouse button, click, and blueprint class, and building prop here, and name it BP teleport prop. Okay, open that. Add sphere, so we can have like a preview, and yeah, enable this lock. Point 2. We want to disable the collisions, so collision preset to no collisions. And also this want to go to BP teleport prop and find hidden in game. So we will see this in UEFN and we will not see this in game. So here we can see this, so we know where player gets teleported, but players in game will not see this. And also we want to add some flows, so basically we want which teleport is which one. Can I find some nice flows? Okay, maybe this one. This will be the, for example, third felt teleport. And this will be the second one. And some nice floor. Okay, maybe this will be the first one. So teleport prop that one. So this will be the first teleport. Copy this, Control D to duplicate this teleport prop. This will be the teleport prop 2, Control D, and here will be the teleport prop 3. Okay. Now we can put our verse device on the map. So for example here. And yeah, we need to go to Fortnite devices and find signal remote manager. And here your cooldown, so how much player need to wait between clicks. Signal remote tier, I will go with legendary. You can go with whatever tier you want. Okay, so we can connect that and add 3 teleport data. Teleport button text first will be the teleport 1, teleporter prop, teleport prop 1, teleporter button 2, TP2, TP2, teleporter prop, teleport prop 2, teleport button text will be secret teleport, and teleport prop 3. Okay, now we need to grant the remote, so we can do this with item granter device. So just put the item granter on grant action, keep all, so we don't want to remove all player inventory. Grant current item, and we want to grant remote, similar remote D. So the legendary one. Receiving players will be the all, I guess. Trident player, I don't know. Okay, we can set to all for now. Grant condition always, grant or cycle, equip granted item, no. We want to grant on game start, yeah, set this to true. Okay, and now when player joins the game, he should receive a signal remote D. So I launch the session and see you in the session. Okay, so I'm in session. I get the signal remote, so I click the leftmost button and boom, I get our buttons. So I will click, oh, I think I spelled the teleport front. So I will click teleport 1 and boom, I'm on teleport 1. Boom, I click again, TP2 and boom, I am on TP2. TP3, secret teleport, and boom, I'm on secret teleport. I want to, for example, to the first one. And boom, I'm on first one. I want to exit, I'm exiting. So yeah, that's how to create a teleport UIs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, leave a like and subscribe. And also join my Discord server, which is completely free. And you also get all the codes from all the videos, including this video. And all for free, no inviting friends, no joining anything, just join Discord and you will find it on the tutorials channel. So yeah, that was it on this tutorial, and see you guys in the next one.